probably one of the best ways of improving your comprehension and indeed your essay style when it comes to it is the art of jokes. Children 11 pluses don't tell me jokes anymore. I love a daft joke. It doesn't matter if I've heard it 50 times. It's like hearing a song. You don't just want to hear a song once and never again. You want to hear it again and again. So get out the joke books, my darlings, because it will improve your comprehension. No doubt about it. And it will also improve your wordplay. I've got some examples written down here. So, blah, 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 blah. Let me give you an example. Polar bears. What do polar bears eat? Iceburgers. Ta-da! And that's a play on the fact that burger has got two different meanings, sort of. Certainly spelled two different ways. And the other one, what have I got? What did the polar bear eat after the dentist fixed its teeth? The dentist. So just learn some jokes. They're really good for comprehension. A lot of them involve an awful lot of wordplay, which means that you'll be learning the different meanings of words and sort of homophones and homonyms and synonyms and all the stuff. There's a huge amount of English to be learnt in jokes. And if you're a parent and you're writing sandwiches, cut out a little joke every day and stick them in the sandwich box, because children then have a gift, because everybody likes to share a joke. They've got something to tell everybody else. It will improve their reading and possibly their popularity. If nothing else, it just gives them something to share. And who doesn't want to share? But it isn't full of calories or sugar rotting teeth. See you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.